Hi, boys and girls. Good to see you again. I'm going to read you the story, I Don't Want to Be a Frog. Our letter of the week. Written by Dev Petty, illustrated by Mike Bolt. I don't want to be a frog. I want you to think about why you think Frog doesn't want to be a frog, and maybe some of the animals that he might want to be, and why. Would you want to be a wise owl? Or fast hopping rabbit? I don't want to be a frog. Our title page. I want to be a cat. Dad says, you can't be a cat. Why not? Well, because you're a frog. I don't like being a frog. It's too wet. Well, you can't be a cat. I want to be a rabbit. You can't be a rabbit. Of course, Frog says, why not? Look, I can hop. Sure, but where are your long ears? Besides, what's wrong with being a frog? I don't like being a frog. It's too slimy. That may be, but you can't be a rabbit. I want to be a pig. You can't be a pig. Why not? Most of all, because you're a frog, but also because you don't have a curly tail or eat garbage. I can eat garbage. Yeah, everyone says that until they eat garbage. Sorry, you can't be a pig. Yuck. I want to be an owl. Of course you want to be an owl. Being an owl is the greatest thing ever. Boy, would you love being an owl. So I can be an owl then? What does Dad say? No, of course not. Why not? 1, you don't have wings. 2, you don't look wise. 3, you can't turn your head all the way around. And 4, you are a frog. Oh. Wise, a wise owl. They're very smart. What's wrong with being a frog anyway? Too much bug eating. Ugh. I see. But still, no being an owl for you. Ooh, hungry old wolf comes along. Why so glum? I don't want to be a frog. What do you want to be then? Not a frog. I want to be a cat or a rabbit or a pig or an owl. Something cute and warm. I'm going to let you in on a little secret, said the hungry wolf. I wonder what his secret is. I love eating cats. I love eating rabbits and pigs and owls too. And I am pretty hungry. I might just go gobble some up right now. That's terrible, said Frog. It's who I am. But guess the one thing I never eat. What do you think? Badgers? No, I eat badgers. Lots of badgers. This says 24 premium quality organic badgers. That must have been his lunch. Frogs? You don't eat frogs? Bingo. Why don't you eat frogs? Because they're too wet and slimy and full of bugs. Oh, so it's good to be a frog? It is. You know what else frogs like to eat? Insects. Insects starts with the letter I. Yup. You guessed it. I guess you can't fight nature. We are what we are. You are a fierce hunter. Bye, Wolf."
"And you are a wet, slimy, bug-eating frog.
Very lucky, Frog."
You should just be happy you're not a fly."
"What's wrong with being a fly?" Well, it looks like Frog learned his lesson. You are who you are, and that's okay, right? So being a frog isn't so bad after all. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.